Hi everyone, this is Allegra Davis Hanna, and I want to show you something really quick in Canvas. If you're interested in playing with and learning to use the features of Speedgrader, and you want to do that on a practice or a demo student submission, I'm going to show you how to do that in just a few quick steps. So you can open the demo course or the sandbox or the course you're building. Just go ahead and open that course from the dashboard. And what we're going to do is create an assignment, publish that demo training assignment, and then submit a student or kind of a fake student assignment so that you can see and practice using this Speedgrader functionality. So go ahead and go to modules. And if you already have a module in this demo course or sandbox that you want to create this demo assignment in, you can use that, or you can create a new module. And again, this is something that you're probably going to delete or hide from students once students have access to your course, so you can call it whatever is most convenient and easiest for you to recognize. So I'm just going to add that module. I'm going to make sure the module is published. That's an important step. And then I'm going to add an assignment to the module. And again, this is not an assignment that your students would actually be submitting to. This is something that you're creating to test out the functionality. So go ahead and create that assignment. Make sure it's published. And there's just a couple settings on the assignment that we have to change. So click the name of the assignment and then click Edit to adjust those settings. Most of these settings aren't important because, again, it's not really an assignment your students are going to see. You do need to go down to Online Submission and File Upload, and then click Save. And then from this screen, you're looking at the assignment. It's published. Go to Student View, Start Assignment, Upload File, and I'm going to choose a file for my desktop. Now, it's not super important which one you choose. It just needs to be a Word file so that you can see what the functionality is. Don't select anything with confidential information on it necessarily. Usually I tend to submit something like a syllabus or just a regular document. So I'm just going to open that up, and it's going to submit it into Canvas. So you see the same thing that your students would, that you've got a successful submission right over here. So then you leave Student View, and you're back in the Faculty View, and you see there is an ungraded submission right over here. So open it in Speedgrader, and you will see the document that you uploaded, and you can test out the functions of Speedgrader, including the point annotation, which I call these little flag comments. You can test out highlighting. You can test out typing. Change the color of the typing. The strike through. The pen tool, which of course works best if you are on a Surface or an iPad. The selection tool, and the summary comment. I love that you can submit a comment without submitting a grade. You can also type in a grade there if you'd like. Now, if you want to test out the rubric functionality on this fake or demo assignment, just be sure, oops, didn't mean to click Edit there. Just be sure that on the assignment itself, you add a rubric. And again, it can be any rubric that you have available to you, or you can build one really quickly, or you can copy one over from from Blackboard. Click on Use this rubric. I happen to have a lot because I've copied over many courses from Blackboard. So we've attached that rubric to the assignment, which means if I open that assignment in Speedgrader, I can test all of those tools and functions, as well as testing out how to use a rubric for grading. So I hope that helps you practice using all of these Speedgrader tools, and this way you can do it on a test student and learn all of the ins and outs of Speedgrader without having to wait for live students in your courses. All right, thanks everyone.